Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the first question of exercise 16.2 and the question says if 21y5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the values of y? Now this is a number and in this 2, 1, 5 are digits as well as y is also a digit. You have to check this is the multiple of 9, and first of all let's find out what does multiple means. If I am saying 2 is a number and I have to find the multiples of 2, means I have to write the table of 2, means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are the multiples of 2. Or in other words, you can say that if I am saying 20 is a multiple of 2, how I have come to this conclusion? Because 20 is completely divisible by 2. Similarly here, 12 is completely divisible by 2. That is why 12 is a multiple of 2. 10 is also completely divisible by 2. Then that is why 10 is also a multiple of 2. But 11 is not a multiple of 2 because 11 is not divisible by 2. So we have come to this conclusion that if this is a multiple of 9, means this must be divisible by 9 completely. Now we know the multiple divisibility rule for 9, that if I have any number which is 2, 1, y, 5. If I have to check whether this number is divisible by 9 or not, what I have to do is I have to add all digits in this number and the sum of these digits must be divisible by 9. So let's start. This is 2, this is 1, so this is 3 plus 5, so this is 8. So the sum of digit is 8 plus y because we don't know the value of y. Now what are the possible values of y here? Because 9 can be divisible by, if I substitute y as 1, so this will be 8 plus 1 upon 9, which is equals to 9 upon 9. So this is completely divisible. So this is the first value of y which can be possible here. If I substitute the value of y as 2, now let's suppose the value of y as 2. So this will be 8 plus 2 will be 10. So 10 is not divisible by 9. If I substitute the value as 3, so it will be 8 plus 3, 11. Again, this is not divisible by 9. Or in other words, if you want to divide this sum by 9, the first sum is 9, so the other sum must be 18, so then only this must be divisible. And to make this sum 18, this must be 10, then only 8 plus 10 will be 18. But this is given as a digit, means this is a single digit, so this cannot be 10. So only one value, which is y equals to 1, is possible in this number, then only this will be divisible by 9. So this is how you can solve this question. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact us. The phone number and the email address is given below in the description. Thank you. In the next video, we'll solve the further questions. Thank you.